Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the life you truly desire. See yourself standing confidently, speaking clearly, and moving through your day with calm certainty. This is not fantasy. This is the silent power of visualization at work. Your mind does not fully distinguish between a real experience and a vividly imagined one. When you intentionally create clear mental pictures of success, you begin to train your subconscious mind to accept that success as natural and expected. This inner rehearsal becomes a blueprint for your actions, your decisions, and your reactions. Instead of feeling uncertain or afraid, you begin to feel familiar with confidence. You start to carry yourself differently, speak differently, and respond differently because your mind believes you have already been there. This principle was taught and emphasized by Dr. Joseph Murphy, who explained that whatever you impress upon your subconscious mind eventually expresses itself in your outer world. When you repeatedly see yourself succeeding, your mind begins to organize your behavior to match that inner image. Opportunities that once felt invisible begin to stand out. Actions that once felt difficult begin to feel natural. This is not because the world suddenly changed, but because you changed first. Visualization shifts your identity. It moves you from hoping to knowing. It replaces doubt with expectation. As you continue this practice, you strengthen the emotional connection to your future success. You begin to feel gratitude for something that has not yet happened, and that feeling sends a powerful message to your subconscious mind that this outcome belongs to you. Over time, this repeated message builds belief. Belief builds confidence. Confidence builds action, and action creates results. The process always begins within. Every great achievement first existed as an image in someone's mind. When you learn to control and direct those inner images, you gain influence over the direction of your life. You stop reacting to circumstances and start creating them. This is the silent power available to you right now. The more clearly you see it, the more strongly you believe it, and the more naturally you will achieve it. Begin today by giving yourself permission to imagine without limits. Allow your mind to experience the success you deserve before it appears in your physical world. This simple inner practice can transform the way you think, the way you feel, and the way you live. Stay consistent and patient, because every clear mental picture you create is quietly shaping the person you are becoming and the future you are preparing to step into with confidence, strength, and purpose every single day of your life ahead now, and forever moving forward with belief and vision guiding you always within reach ahead, now always moving forward with faith and certainty inside you today, right now always present, and alive inside you today, right now always present, and alive inside you. Today, right now, always present, and alive inside you today, right now, always present, and alive inside you today now. The moment you begin to consciously direct your imagination, you step into a position of quiet control over your inner world, and that inner world is the foundation of everything you experience on the outside. Many people move through life allowing circumstances to shape their thoughts, but visualization reverses that process by allowing your thoughts to shape your circumstances. When you deliberately picture yourself succeeding, you send a clear and repeated instruction to your subconscious mind about who you are becoming. Dr. Joseph Murphy taught that the subconscious mind accepts what it is impressed with feeling and repetition, and once accepted, it works continuously to express that idea into reality. This means your daily mental images matter more than you may realize. If you constantly imagine failure, embarrassment, or rejection, your subconscious accepts those images as instructions. But when you choose to imagine confidence, achievement, and success, you begin to build a new internal pattern. At first, it may feel unfamiliar, even uncomfortable, because you are stepping outside of your old self-image. That is normal. Every new identity feels unnatural in the beginning. However, with repetition, the new image begins to feel normal, and once it feels normal, your behavior begins to align with it automatically. You no longer have to force confidence because it starts to feel like part of who you are. Your posture changes. Your tone of voice changes. Your decisions change. You begin to expect positive outcomes instead of fearing negative ones. This expectation influences the choices you make and the risks you are willing to take. Visualization also prepares you emotionally. When you mentally experience success in advance, you reduce the fear of the unknown. Your mind begins to recognize the situation as familiar rather than threatening. This familiarity creates calmness under pressure. You are able to perform better because your mind believes you have already done it before. This is why athletes, performers, and successful individuals across many fields use visualization regularly. They understand that the mind must arrive before the body follows. The key is not to visualize once, but to visualize consistently and with emotion. Emotion is what makes the image powerful. You must not only see the success, but also feel the pride, the gratitude, and the confidence that comes with it. These feelings deepen the impression on your subconscious mind. Over time, this daily practice reshapes your self-concept. You begin to see yourself as capable, worthy, and prepared. This new self-concept influences every action you take. Instead of hesitating, you move forward. Instead of doubting, you trust yourself. Instead of waiting, you act. Your external results begin to reflect your internal transformation. This is how visualization quietly changes your life. It does not happen all at once, but it happens steadily. Every clear mental picture is a small step toward becoming the person you have imagined. With patience and consistency, your inner vision becomes your outer reality, and you realize that the power you were seeking was within you all along. Consistency is the bridge between imagination and physical reality. When you practice visualization every day, you are not pretending or escaping from life. You are preparing your mind to live differently. Each mental rehearsal strengthens neural pathways that influence how you think, feel, and act. Over time, these inner rehearsals begin to shape your automatic responses. Instead of reacting with hesitation or fear, you respond with calm certainty and direction. This shift may seem subtle at first, but its effects grow stronger with repetition. The subconscious mind learns through repeated experience, whether that experience is physical or imagined. This is why your daily visualization practice becomes a form of training for the person you are becoming. As taught by Dr. Joseph Murphy, the subconscious mind accepts what you impress upon it, and it works faithfully to express it in your life. When you impress it with images of confidence and achievement, it begins to guide you toward behaviors that support those images. You may notice yourself taking initiative more often, speaking more clearly, or making decisions with less internal conflict. These changes are signs that your inner identity is evolving. Visualization also strengthens your emotional resilience. When challenges appear, you are less likely to feel defeated because your mind already holds a picture of success. That picture becomes a reference point that reminds you where you are going. Instead of focusing on temporary obstacles, you remain connected to your intended outcome. This connection gives you persistence and patience. You begin to trust the process even when results are not immediate. This trust reduces stress and allows you to move forward with greater focus. Over weeks and months, the gap between your inner vision and your outer experience becomes smaller. Opportunities align with your expectations, and your actions align with your intentions. What once felt distant begins to feel natural. You realize that visualization is not magic, but mental conditioning. It prepares you to recognize and accept the success you have already experienced within. By continuing this practice, you reinforce the belief that your future is not accidental, but intentional. You become an active participant in your own transformation, guided by the images you choose to hold and the belief you choose to sustain. Eventually, your outer life reflects your inner vision, and you stand in the reality you once saw only in your mind, now living it with confidence, clarity, and purpose every single day forward with calm determination and unshakable belief in yourself and your ability to create the life you once only imagined inside your mind before it became real for you to experience fully and freely every day ahead now with courage and faith guiding you always forward into your chosen destiny today and always. Ahead now, forever moving onward with vision alive inside you guiding each step you take. Ahead now, always forward with belief and clarity inside you now, and always moving ahead with purpose and confidence every day. Ahead now, always forward today now.